Hello.
Hello.
So it's something a little different today because we recently bought an antique 1920s doll's house full of its mystery contents, and in today's video we are going to give you a tour of the house.
This house was built in 1921 and is a Lines Brothers doll's house. The famous toy maker Eutha Rose had an identical one which was displayed in Penhurst Place, where Eutha designed and curated a toy museum of which we plan to visit soon.
We know all of this information because of the note that was included by the house's second owner, who bought the house in 1966 from an antique shop in Brighton for a total cost of £25. In the note she explains that she added a few items to make the house more interesting.
She also included a picture of what the house looked like when she bought it.
Which was just an added bonus when we bought this house, to sort of have some history and know some of the previous owners. The people we bought it off, it was in their attic, so it's gone through some since 1966, but it's still in surprisingly really quite good condition. And we do have 2 boxes of mystery contents, furniture and such, that we will be showing in another video.
We've done one, haven't we?
Yes. So join us on our little tour of our 100-year-old doll's house, and we hope you enjoy.
This is the kitchen. It's got its original, they all would have had the dresser built in and the stove built in. And we've still got ours, quite a lot of missing, but we still have ours. There's a hairpin.
A hair grip.
What, pin? It's
Pin.
different to a grip. They used it to like either not keep their hats on, but just their hair. It didn't grip the same way as. It's called a hairpin rather than a hair grip. And there's the little clock.
Doesn't move.
Which is stuck. Really stuck. There's a beautiful painting over the mantelpiece. Not particularly kitcheny though. It's 2 dogs hunting.
So it's got its little metal doors. It's only got one of the things in it still. Look!
Oh.
It's a tiny beautiful pewter plate. Oh my gosh, it's got forget-me-nots all over it. It's quite battered. Huh. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful.
It is beautiful.
The picture plate, and I think there's also a licorice all sort on the floor. Which I think is probably a more modern edition. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful.
I wonder if there's anything else.
I know.
On the carpet.
I wonder what's under, if there's anything under. Oh, no, lots of dust. Oh, what's that?
Definitely needs a good clean.
It's just wax. I also love the wallpaper in the kitchen. Is it grapes?
Grapes or hops? Grapes, probably.
Moving on to the hall, and I think there's another licorice all sort on the stairs.
Oh, is that?
Where?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, crazy.
Someone's just left a trail of licorice all sorts around the
Oh,
house.
licorice also? Over the other one. Yeah, put it on the dresser. See if we find any more around the house.
So here is the hall with the runner down the stairs.
It's very dusty.
Yes.
It's crazy dusty. It needs a lot of cleaning.
100 years old.
I know. Well, I'm not sure it's 100 years old worth of dust. I presume they dusted it when she was... Some pictures.
There's a beautiful hand-painted picture above the door.
2 more pictures. The lady. Lovely original wallpaper.
It's beautiful, the wallpaper in here.
Like little roses, isn't
Yeah. The carpet, not so much.
it? No.
I think we'll probably
Lose the carpet?
Yeah, because that is incredibly... Oh!
Oh!
Oh my goodness!
What? It's tiny domino. It's like the dominoes we find.
Yeah, is it made out of bone?
Well, I don't think it's plastic.
It's either bone or some sort of stone.
Ooh. Stone?
Ivory?
That's beautiful. I wonder where all the rest went.
Where did the rest go? Oh my gosh, that is the tiniest domino I've ever seen. So do you think that was for just like a mini game of like travel dominoes?
I don't know. It's very small.
But a bit too big to be Doll's House, is it not? A whole set of those?
Maybe.
I think it might be just the little girl's travel dominoes.
Don't know.
It could be some 1920s.
I'll have to probably Google it.
Yeah. We're going mudlarking in a house. Oh wow, okay. Put that with the other mystery finds. And under the carpets, like in a real house, there's a hidden parquet flooring.
Again, needs cleaning.
Yes. I think I can see something else behind the stairs.
Really? Oh, a rug.
Oh, Sanderson's fabrics. Little rug. Is there anything else? Oh, it's a solid thing. What are our guesses? Oh my god! It's a tiny wooden soldier.
Oh, he'll go in the nursery. Well, obviously he was in the nursery, wasn't he?
The soldier under the stairs.
Oh,
that
he
sounds like
matches the house perfectly.
He
the
does.
green and the red.
That sounds like a children's book. The soldier under the stairs. How long's he been under there? How did he get there? That rhymed.
Cool. Put him on the random.
Which one's the nursery? I'll put him on with the other.
Yeah. We don't know which one's the nursery yet.
No.
Haven't decided.
Is that everything?
Is that everything under there?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh.
I love the ribbon stair carpet.
And here is the living room. Well, the sitting room. It's incredibly fancy.
It is very fancy. Look at that lampshade. It's crazy.
Wow.
Look at it. I can unhook it actually.
Oh, yeah, let's have a look. Wow.
That's mad.
That is so detailed. Goodness. Is that Doll's House?
I don't know. I mean, it's tiny enough, but...
That little girl in the 1920s decided it was, so it is. Beautiful. I absolutely adore the fireplaces.
Yeah, they're all original.
Yeah.
You can buy them separately too. But some have them missing, but we have them all.
Look at that amazing mirror.
Yeah, I don't think that's Doll's House. I think that was... that she put that in there. I love that though, that she's like chosen all these things and made things, and I love it. I'm so excited about putting the things back in.
With the sort of paste gems we find on the 1920s beach all the time.
Oh yeah.
Tiny little picture of a scene in a beautiful frame. It's a little drawing. What's this?
It's not an intaglio because it's positive, but it looks like that sort of thing, doesn't it?
Almost looks like, yeah,
Like a seal or something.
Yeah. So it's plaster. Yeah, not sure. Beautiful though. It's got a snake attacking someone. And then a small picture of someone. Again, beautiful wallpaper. And again, carpets that we'll probably get rid of, because these are definitely later additions. These will be added in the 60s, 70s.
No, not necessarily. No.
Oh, well then we have to leave them in.
But the carpets... oh, I'll have to clean them.
Oh.
Yeah, little handmade.
Oh my gosh. Oh, well we have to have that one. It's been sewn and handmade.
Yeah, maybe we'll put that in the hall. Maybe we'll leave these. Oh, I don't know. It's difficult.
It is, because the flooring is so beautiful.
These are dirty. These are so... I mean, I should be able to clean them, but... I don't know. Maybe we keep the little ones? I mean, this one... Oh, I don't know. We'll have to think about it.
Let us know in the comments down below your opinions on that. So then the downstairs, beautiful little almost Christmas picture.
Oh, I haven't seen that one. There are so many pictures, aren't there?
Beautiful. Curtain rails even have ends. So beautiful curtains. And more of this carpet. Oh, the parquet floor's even better condition here. I don't know what to do. This little picture above the front door. And it says letters. Another little winter scene. More beautiful handmade curtains. And real glass windows.
What's his face?
Edward the Seventh. And then this one is a painting. It's hand painted. Is it someone we should recognise, or do you suppose it's someone in her family?
I don't know. Could be someone in her family, because the next room we go to, I think, is full of pictures of her family.
It's the most exciting, yeah. Whoever did it is very talented. Clothes are amazing.
But they are. Maybe he had far apart eyes.
So this is, I think, the most beautiful and exciting room. I guess master bedroom? Or
I said bedroom, yeah.
yeah. It's got a tiny little mirror, the tiniest little clock, and then the pictures here are the most exciting. So this one is a photograph that we think she has cut out, but then these three are the most exciting.
I think this one's derriere type. It's like on glass, glass tinted.
Yeah, because you can see through it when I shine it into the light.
It's like one of the earliest forms of photography.
So we think this is probably someone from her family.
Very cool person.
Yeah, incredibly stylish.
Cool
Goodness.
hat.
Yeah. Beautiful too. And then that one is probably just a photograph of, again, someone she probably knew. And then this one. That looks like a very old photograph too. Does it not, Mum?
Yeah, I don't think that's derriere.
No. But they're absolutely amazing, and I love the idea of these real life people being immortalised in her doll's house. It's wonderful. And then a tiny embroidered heart hanging on the wall. It's just amazing. I love all the little details of the things on the walls. And another little broken picture. Sunny!
Oh my goodness, what's the lampshade?
Uh-oh. What are we gonna do now? I was just about to show that lampshade.
Yeah, we've got to show it.
Oh, Sunny. Shall we be moving on to a different room then?
I was going to pick the carpet up. Surely.
I don't know if you saw our film where we made one of these out of seed beads found from the beach.
We could probably film it and show it.
Yeah, but here is an original 1920s one, probably made by her, I imagine. Think?
Possibly, it does look handmade.
Yeah,
it's like
with
thread
the
and stuff.
cardboard and the thin thread.
But there's like the seed beads that we find, isn't it?
Yeah.
So she must have, yeah.
So this is why there are so many seed beads on the beach, well, various reasons, but they use them for a lot of things. Oh, there's a bigger bead in the middle, like
yeah.
a
Bulb.
bulb. Oh my gosh,
The
it's
colours are
bulb
beautiful.
shaped. Wow. Amazing. And there is another one in the hallway, a ball one on the most amazing
Ceiling rose.
ceiling rose. Again, beautiful wallpaper, same as in the hallway downstairs.
I think it's all original Triangle wallpaper.
I think it is, yeah. The most beautiful little hand-drawn picture of a little person walking down a wooded lane. Small little boy. Tiny little blue and white dish above the door. And then what I'm assuming to be another bedroom.
Probably be our nursery.
Probably our nursery, yeah. The most amazing little shell art. Are they actual shells or are they glass?
I don't know, I don't think that's quite as old.
Really?
Well, I don't think so.
Like the 1920s were obsessed with, like corals and shells.
Yeah. Just looks a bit gaudy. I suppose the 1920s could be gaudy.
Incredibly. A frame, little Wedgwood cameo. It's beautiful. Jesus above the door. And then a huge mirror with
braid isn't it?
around the edge.
It's a very odd place for a mirror to be.
Again, beautiful original wallpaper. And then more beautiful handmade curtains with the glass windows. Tiny picture of a ship.
Now we have to clean all this. I mean, the next film will be us showing you the first unboxing of the things, which this film was going to be. Then we realised that we were doing it in the wrong order, so now it's this film. It's all quite complicated. We've never done this before, and also now we have to refurbish it. And again, we've never done that before. If anybody has any help or suggestions how to clean, like textiles, the curtains. I mean, I do not want to take the curtains off the curtain poles, but I don't know how to. Tiny brushes, little wipes. Yeah. If anybody knows, and the wallpaper, how to clean papers without ruining them and making them. I don't want to make them. I can make them slightly damp, but I don't want to make them wet. Yeah, it's a little bit scary actually.
I have to fix this. The door's coming off.
Yeah, the hinge is coming off, isn't it? And stick like bits. I mean, I can get. We'll stick the wallpaper that's there. We'll stick down. We're not going to replace anything. It's going to be as is. I just want to clean it really and stick loose paper down. Like I say, if anyone has ever done this sort of thing before, we need some help. Need some suggestions. And about the carpets, whether to put them back in again or not put them back in again, or how to clean them if we do put them back in again. Yeah, it's a thing.
How exciting of a thing.
It is a very exciting thing, but a little bit.
Also, I had no idea how large it was.
I know, it's massive. That's hence Sonny can sit in one of the rooms.
So we hope you enjoyed that tour. Here's a sneak peek of some of the items that are incredible.
They are amazing.
Some amazing items. So thank you again for everyone that likes, comments and subscribes. Let us know in the comments down below which room is your favourite in the doll's house. And we will see you again next week. I think it will be back to crafting next week, and then we'll show you the items soon. I hope you have a good Wednesday, and we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.